now we're getting gas because it's very thirsty. So yeah, we're here. See you guys soon. Guys, we're about to go bowling right now. So yeah, we just got here. Pretty nice out here, so we'll see how things play out. We got our pizza game, and then I got some wings to go. They look pretty good, so see you all soon. Now that's pretty hard though. Oh my God! Time to start this baby up. Let's see. We'll hear that engine roar, baby. We're here. About to go home now. See the car. But yeah, see you guys Monday. If you want to join the Discord, I will be there. I'm gonna hit a lot more trades, so see you all later. See you when we get home. Right now, baby, Cobra Roads. All I know is run it up. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're recording, baby. Time to get over. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'll see you guys when I'm home in a digital dash. Let's go, baby. We tearing these roads up today, baby. PutBrothers training for the win, baby. Let's go. Come on. Yo, what's up, everyone? We are driving now. It's Friday. Please get in your lane, bro. I gotta get past them. All right, anyways, yes, we will be getting some food now. Crazy week. Had a crazy last 2 days, so shout out to all the members inside the Discord. You can see what we did here and also what the members did. Catch my stream on Sunday, Monday, before market opens. We'll be on live, so yes, see you all there. I'm very hungry. Great week. A lot of it was straight up chop, and we had to wait like the end of the day to get into some like good positions. Like yesterday, IWM, we had to wait till like the last hour. So my eyes hurt. So I'm gonna get some food. It's gonna be great. Might vlog it, but yeah, that's that. Hell yeah, man. I should probably get over. He's raising his like hand. I don't know. Look, you see that nigga? That shit crazy. Is he still doing it?
Yes, he's still doing that shit. Why the fuck is he doing that shit?
I only get one answer for that.
1 hour later.
Oh, we just got to this Chinese buffet. I'm about to eat a lot of rice, bro, so it's about to be crazy. But yeah, I'll show you my food. I'll show you what I get, type of person I am. But yeah, let's go in. Let's have a good night. And then after that, I'm gonna go ride around. About to then get some food. Huh? For what? I'm about to go get some food and shit. Make sure you like that, bitch. Yes, sir. Oh, is she cute? Thank you. Get some food.
food. Leave into the restroom. Shit. Right here. We got hella rice. Oh shit.
Bruh.
Fuck that up. Some plate looking. Where the fuck Lee at, man? Lee's taking too long.
That's good, gang. Order some chicken. Just some regular basic shit.
Same. But I haven't eaten all day, so it's whatever.
I did.
We gotta tell that lady to get you some water.
Shit, I know, right? Shit crazy. Trying to say.
He said he don't want no more food.
I'm about to go get some fruit, man. After this, I gotta go get some gas. I'll be right back.
That's exactly what I did. And now he's gone.
A few moments later.
We just finished eating. Finna head out.
Yeah, we just finished eating. Gotta get some gas. Right now, just chilling. Having a good time, stuff like this.
Tunnel right out. All we need is a blunt, for real. Real PutBrothers shit.
Oh, what's up, everyone? So, we out, baby. Oh yeah, I gotta get some gas for real. Make sure niggas not coming. Oh, there we go. Dude, I'm full as freak, bro.
Man,
Please don't pull out.
I don't think they'd be better than this. 100% gain on IWM. I think maybe let them have to go get liquidated.
I'll tell you.
What a day, you guys. Hopefully next week it'll be a better week for the Discord and trading and all sorts of stuff.
Yeah, I see a BP up there.
And let's chop.
For real.
Look at that shit. There's a store right there. Try pulling that. fuck it. Just slow down. Yeah, just slow down a bit. They got no gas?
Please tell me y'all niggas got tapped too, bro.
Man, bro.
There we go.
Bro, took me to the Mexican spot. Let's
Damn.
fucking
Premium
go.
$4. That's LA price. We in LA, baby. No, it should be like $10. Like,
What?
all right, hold on. I gotta.
That's Walgreens over there. That's where I get my Plan Bs.
Why?
Because it works.
That's good.
Fucking idiot. I'm gonna cut that out. Fucking idiot.
That shit funny as fuck. Oh shit. Them niggas is about to hit each other, boy.
Oh shit, about to get down.
Yo, they can't drive, bro.
It's about to get down, bro. Fucking cop. Fuck the police.
Hello, cop. Oh, there's another cop.
What if he gonna try to race you, bro?
I'm like, look, I don't want to be arrested right now.
Yeah, boy.
No, for real, bro. They gonna try to be on their asses now.
For real.
Like, that boy vlogging. That boy vlogging.
Oh my gosh. Putting niggas on the Hellcat flying. What? Oh, they going so slow. Lot of shells flying. Look at that. Yo. Damn, I love the city, bro. The city's so pretty. Alright, you ready for sport mode? Sport mode activate. Sport mode activate. You can probably hear the engine soon. I gotta slow down. They're braking. I don't know why they're braking. Yo, I'm about to race him. Oh my God,
Bet,
two Corvettes,
bet.
bro. Yo, that is lit, bro. Yo, that is lit. Turn this shit down. Damn, that is hard. Yo, I gotta catch up with him.
Here's a white Corvette too.
Bro, same exact thing, bro. That's
You gotta
crazy.
catch up to him, bro.
Bro, what kind of simulation is this?
For real.
What kind of simulation is that? What the world? I'm about to exit though. Alright, this nigga need to get over. So I can get over.
Look at that motherfucker. Motherfucker flying too, bro.
It's going down there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I'm about to get off. Let's see. Oh, I'm about to meet him anyway. I'm gonna just get back where I was. I'm about to meet him. Yo, what the world?
I know, right? It's like
Yo, what the world is that?
It'd be crazy if it's the same model.
Bro. Where's he at?
He's right
Where's
there.
his Corvette dude at? Are you here? Where is he at? Where is he at? We're finding the Corvette right now. I'm about to race him. If he took a right. Oh, I see him. Slow down, man.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Yeah,
I see him.
that's hard though. That's hard.
Yeah, catch up to him, bro.
Yeah.
That's just so wild, huh?
Like, what the world is that, bro? Like, what the world? It's like we both own this bitch together.
All right, I swear to God. Hit that beat.
Damn, where's this nigga? Can I get over to the left?
Hustling and shit.
How you doing today? Yo, what's up, everyone? It's Put Bros. We just got back. Great night, great trading day. So I'll see you guys on Monday and Sunday for my market prep. If you want to join the Discord, join the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. We got those codes that will be ending soon. Put Bros 35 for the weekly and monthly, and also lifetime, 2 exclamation marks for the yearly and lifetime. So yeah, either see you in the Discord or my free live streams. You have a blessed night, guys. See you soon.
Yeah, we finna roll up.
Oh, man.
Been a long day for both of us. Join the Discord, guys.